And I am here with day 7 of my 31-day series of how to get your yarn organized. All right, all I can say for this one is have yarn, will travel. That's what suitcases were made for, right? Storing our yarn? Well, maybe not, but I think it's a great idea. I've actually seen this idea in place at my local yarn store called Sybil's. And if you'd like to check out the video of Sybil's yarn shop, I'll leave a link for it at the end of this video. Sybil's is amazing. It's one of my favorite places. But I digress. I still think that this is a great idea. So you can open the lid up and you can have your yarn displayed for you and anybody else that comes over to your house, any other yarny friends. It just looks really cute. But when those little kitty cats or those little grandchildren or nieces or nephews or even your own kids start to create some mischief, you can always close the lid and protect your gorgeous yarn. So I love this idea. I think it's really cute. I love the vintage look of it. I love that you're reusing an old suitcase. Everything about it says perfect to me. So let me know what you think in the comments below. Is this an idea that you like? Is this something that you'd try? Have you seen it being used somewhere else? I'd love to hear about it. All right, everybody, I'll see you tomorrow for another great yarn storage idea. Until then, have a great day. Bye-bye.